CogByte, where smart tools meet smart decisions. Feeling stuck? Tasks piling up, motivation gone. You stare at your screen and it stares right back. We've all been there, mental block. But what if you could talk your way out of it? With just a few well-crafted prompts, ChatGPT can help you reset your focus, break down overwhelm, and get back in control. Let's explore 5 powerful prompts that can pull you out of the fog and back into momentum. Prompt 1. The Clarity Kickstart. Give me 3 smart goals for my project in my time frame, and 2-3 action steps for each. Why it works. Mental blocks thrive on vagueness. This prompt forces you, through ChatGPT, to get specific. What exactly do you want to accomplish? When? And how? Example. Give me 3 SMART goals for launching a YouTube channel in the next 30 days. ChatGPT might respond with goals like publish 4 videos, 1 per week, with relevant keywords. Design and upload a consistent thumbnail style. Reach 100 subscribers by sharing to niche communities, each with actionable next steps. It gives you a roadmap instead of a vague dream. Prompt 2. The Task Unpacker. Break down task into manageable steps I can complete in time frame, including realistic breaks. Big tasks become paralyzing. This prompt makes ChatGPT your personal project manager. Example. Break down scripting, recording, and uploading 1 YouTube video in 3 days. You'll get back a plan like Day 1. Research topic, draft script. Day 2. Record voiceover, choose visuals. Day 3. Edit video, write title, description, upload. You're no longer staring at a mountain, just stepping stones. Prompt 3. The Creativity Shakeup. I'm stuck on project. Suggest 5 unconventional ideas to unlock new thinking. This is the antidote to boring, recycled ideas. You're not asking ChatGPT to do your job, just to nudge your brain sideways. Example. I'm stuck writing a script about AI tools. Suggest 5 unexpected angles. You might get compare AI tools to different personalities. Explain AI tools using 90s movie metaphors. What if AI tools were Pokemon evolutions? It's not always about using the exact suggestions. It's about getting unstuck. Prompt 4. The Friction-Free Email Fixer. Draft a short, polite reply to email context. I want to decline, request, confirm, etc. Mental fatigue often shows up in the inbox. You know what you want to say, but can't find the words. This prompt clears that friction instantly. It saves time, stress, and overthinking, while still sounding like a human. You can even specify tone. Professional but warm, brief and assertive, playful and casual. Use it for follow-ups, declines, requests, intros, everything. Prompt 5. The Learning Shortcut. Explain complex topic, like I'm a 10-year-old beginner. Use analogies. Mental blocks often hide behind, I don't know enough. This prompt removes the fear of complexity. Example. Explain how neural networks work like I'm 10. And boom. ChatGPT might say, it's like teaching a dog new tricks. You reward it when it gets closer to the right answer. Simple, memorable, empowering. Bonus. Ask for visual metaphors, real-life examples, or even test questions to check your understanding. Wrap up. Mental blocks don't always need brute force. Sometimes all you need is the right question, asked in the right way. These 5 prompts are more than productivity tricks. They're mental reset buttons. Subscribe for weekly AI insights. Watch more at CogByte YouTube channel.